a survey of what you want best on the channel. Please share your thoughts together in a comment.
Who needs to talk about hooded eyelid tape? If you're in the know, you'll have seen these nifty little stickers for hooded eyes that help to lift your lids and show more of your eyelid area, great for achieving particular makeup looks, particularly winged eyeliner. I never even knew I had hooded eyes until I hit middle age when they became really noticeable, because they were drooping with age. Ugh. Once I saw them, I couldn't unsee them, so I embarked on a search for a fix. And if you cannot see much of your lid space because it's hiding under some extra skin which we call the hood, then you might have hooded eyes. Hooded eyes are common and normal. But when you apply eye makeup, you might not be able to see it because your lid will be hiding under that hood. That's when a lid tape can.
It's transparent because it's a mesh tape and it's water activated, so it's very easy to use. If you observe my eyes, you'll see I have uneven hooded eyes. My right side looks completely different from my left. The crease on my left side is way higher than the crease on my right side, and my right side is more hooded than my left. So the first thing that I'm going to do is even out both the lid space using some concealer, and the one that I'll be using is the Milani concealer in the shade 145. I'm just applying a tad bit on both the eye. And now I'm going to be using the lid tape, so let me pull you closer. When I lift my brow, you'll be able to see a line that cuts right across my lid. That is the fold line or the crease. I'm going to stick the lid tape right on that line so it lifts the fold. Because the lid tape is water activated, I'm going to quickly spritz some water. The set comes with a spray bottle. It becomes sticky almost immediately, so I'm going to stick it on top of that crease line. It also comes with plastic tongs, and I can't find it right now, so I'm going to use my wooden tongs to push it in. And that'll create a new crease above my natural crease and give me more lid space. You can see how much more lid space that creates. Let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after, and what a big difference it makes. You can of course use the lid tape as is without any eye makeup to lift your droopy or hooded eyes. And the tape itself doesn't look bad at all. It almost blends in with your skin. But the actual use of this lid tape is when you apply eye makeup. So let's go ahead and apply some. I'm going to start with the lighter shade of matte brown in the outer corner and in the outer crease just to warm things up. And then I'm going to deepen the outer corner with a deeper shade of brown. I'm just using neutral shades here because it's just convenient and it's universal, but you're welcome to use any color, any matte, any shimmer shadow that you prefer. And then I'm going to highlight the inner half of my lid with a lighter metallic shade. Now when I look straight in the mirror or keep my eyes open, you can barely see the eye makeup again because it's hiding under that hood. So let me go ahead and use a lid tape. Again, I'm going to be sticking it right on top of that crease line. I like to use it right in the center of my lid. That way it gives me a good lift right in the center. You're welcome to use it in the outer corner as well. And now all of a sudden you can see the eye makeup because I have the lid tape on. And it's giving me a bigger lid space. Let's compare it with the before one more time. And here's after I use the lid tape. And you can see how much of a difference that makes. I personally prefer to use a lid tape after I'm done with the eye makeup. It sticks well, it sits well, it just looks better. Some people prefer to use the lid tape first and then apply the eye makeup. You can do that as well. For me personally, I found it more difficult to blend out the eyeshadows when I already have the lid tape on. Sometimes it tends to lift. So it works better for me to use it after I'm done with the eye makeup. I want to do a before and after actor from a distance. So this is how it